Here we go. All right. So, this morning, we are on... Hi, good morning. Lesson 29. I can use 5 group drawings and equations to show addition stories. Okay, here's some vocabulary words I want to talk about before we ever get started. A 5 group drawing. We know what that is, right? Let's say I have 5 circles and I need to draw a 6. Is that a 5 group drawing? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down, right? My 6th one needs to go underneath. That's the 5 group drawing. This way, it's a shortcut. I don't have to sit here and go 1, 2, 3. Oops, I fell asleep. No, I can count quickly. 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to use 5 group drawings. And here's another word, equations. An equation is a number sentence. That's the fancy Nancy word for number sentence. But there's lots of different equations. This is an equation, mystery box plus mystery box equals mystery box. That's an equation. Here's another equation. Mystery box, take away mystery box, equals mystery box. Here's another equation. Mystery box times mystery box equals mystery box. And yet, here's another. Mystery box divided by mystery box equals mystery box. Oh my goodness, look at all of those equations. We need to figure out what equation are we doing. So our I can statement says, I can use 5 group drawings and equations to show addition. What does that mean? Addition. Are we? What does addition mean?
I have a question after I answer this.
Okay.
Addition means adding.
So this is the equation we're going to use. Good job. What's your question?
Did you see I'm pink today?
I did see you're all pink. Is it National Pink Day?
No.
You just liked it.
Miss Kate,
Yes.
do you see that I'm wearing my dancer, but I think it looks good for a college one.
Yes, absolutely. All right, let's take a look. Let's look right here. This is going to be a fun game. It's called 1, 2, 3, sit on 10 and 20. So, I'd like everyone to stand up, but be careful of your headphones. This will be fun. Stand up, and I'm going to teach you how to play the game. So even though you're standing, I still want you focused and listening. We will play a fast counting game. Each person says the next 3 numbers. So if I say 11, 12, 13, Russell, what would you say next? Unmute your mic. You would say the next three numbers. So if I said
14, 15, and 16.
perfect. 14, 15, 16. And then Nicole would keep on counting. What comes after 16? Count the next three numbers. Nicole?
17, 18, 19.
Very good. And when someone says 20, the next person after that will only say 20. Can you guess what you have to do when you say 10 or 20? You have to sit, because it's called sit on 10 and 20. So you have to sit down. That means you're out. By the end of the game, everyone will be sitting down. Are you ready to play? All right. Make sure you're standing. I'm going to call on your name, so pay attention. Are we? Or no, I'll start. 1, 2, 3. Are we?
4, 5, 6.
Awesome. Estelle.
7, 8, 9.
Carolyn.
10, 11, 12.
10. So you have to sit down, Carolyn. Good job. All right, DJ, start at 11. Count three numbers.
12, 13,
No,
14.
Yeah, 11, 12, 13. Okay, Anya. Count from 13.
14, 15, 16.
Excellent. Smriti.
15, 16, 17.
No, she did 14, 15, 16, so you do 17, 18, 19. Russell.
17, 18, 19.
Okay. Russell, count yours. Russell. What comes after 19, Russell?
19, 20.
20. So you gotta sit down. All right, Nicole, start counting from 20. 20.
21, 22, 23.
Awesome. Alan, count three more. Or actually, once we get to 20, we stop. So she was 1, 2, 3. So Alan, do what comes after 3? Unmute your microphone, Alan. Okay, Alan is not going to participate. Jonyan, what comes after 3?
4.
Count three more. 4.
5, 6.
Awesome. Ryan.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, Landon.
10, 11, 12.
So 10, you have to sit down. Good job. Are we? Start at 11. Count 3.
11, 12, 13.
Okay, Estelle.
14, 15, 16.
Okay, DJ.
17, 18.
Yeah, 17, 18, 19. Good job. Anya.
20.
20, you gotta sit down. All right. What's your name? Smriti, start at 1 for me.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Nicole.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, Ryan.
7, 8, 9.
Good. Jonyan.
10, 11, 12.
10, you gotta sit down. Start at 11, are we?
11, 12, 13.
Estelle?
14, 15, 16.
DJ?
17, 18, 19.
Okay. Smriti?
16, 17, 18,
20. You gotta sit down, Smriti. Okay. Nicole, start at 1.
1, 2, 3.
Ryan?
4, 5, 6, 7.
No, just 4, 5, 6. Johnny, Jonyan, didn't you have to sit down, Jonyan?
What?
Didn't you have to sit down because you got 10?
What?
Okay, I think you had to sit down. Are we? Do count after 6.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, Estelle?
10, 11, 12.
10. So Estelle's got to sit down. DJ, start at 11.
11, 12, 13.
Okay, my only people left standing. Nicole?
14, 15, 16.
Ryan?
17, 18, 19.
Are we?
20.
20. You got to sit down. All right, DJ, start at 1.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Nicole?
5, 6, 7.
Nope. 4, 5, 6.
No.
Ryan?
I got mixed up.
It's okay.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, DJ?
10.
Yep, you sit down. All right, now it's just Nicole and Ryan. Nicole, start at 11.
11, 12, 13.
Okay, Ryan.
15, 17, 14, 15, 17, 16.
Okay, Nicole.
18, 19.
No, 17, 18, 19. And Ryan, what are you?
Hello, amount.
20. So Nicole's the last one standing. Okay. Good job. Was that fun for you guys? I just thought it was a fun.
Left standing, that means they win.
Yes. So,
Good job,
yeah.
Nicole.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you.
I like when you said that, I just raised my hand because I don't want you to. Good job, Nicole.
All right.
I'm having fun standing.
Yeah. Okay.
Good job, Nicole.
Get out your handy dandy math book and you're going to turn to page, and I'm getting ready to tell you, 121. It's going to be towards the back. Page 121. Awesome. Make sure you have something to write with. This is a story problem. We're going to read the entire problem and then we're going to take it one sentence at a time. When you have your page open, give me a double thumbs up to let me know I'm good to go. Carolyn's good. I know Landon's good. Nicole, Russell, Estelle, Anya, Jonyan, very good. DJ. I still have some people flipping pages, and that's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna read the story problem. Emma had 9 pennies. Show her pennies in the middle of the desk. She wanted to use 4 pennies to buy some gum and 5 pennies to buy a balloon. Count and slide apart the pennies she needs to buy the gum and the balloon. On your paper, show a number bond that corresponds to her pennies now. So you can use your cubes to do this activity. I don't have enough, so I'm just gonna draw. Let's take a look at the first sentence. Emma?
Miss Kate,
Yes.
can I draw too and then I can X it out?
Okay. Emma had 9 pennies. So I see my number. She had 9 pennies. I'm going to draw the 9 pennies. But remember at the beginning, what way do we need to draw them? Carolyn?
The 5 group way.
The 5 group way. So I'm going to do that. She wanted to use 4 pennies to buy some gum and 5 pennies to buy a balloon. Slide apart the pennies she needs to buy the gum and balloon. I'm going to draw a line. I have 5 on top and 4 below. Does she have enough to buy both the gum and the balloon? Thumbs up if she does, thumbs down if she doesn't. She does. Now at the end, it asks to show the number bond. I'm going to draw a number bond, but you draw yours any way you choose. Tell me a number I need to put in my number bond and where it goes. Landon?
5, and the 5 goes in the half.
You mean in the part?
Yes.
Okay. Landon told me I need to use the 5 and I can put the 5 in one of my parts. Okay. What else? What's another number I can put in? And where does it go? I don't see a lot of hands raised. Nicole?
We have to put a 4.
Nicole says I'm going to take my 4. Where do I put it, Nicole?
Put it in the other part.
In the other part. Okay. So I've used my 5. I've used my 4. But I've got something else. Well, what's going to go there? Are we? I've got a whole nother circle in my number bond.
The whole is going to be 9.
So all together, I'm going to do my whole, which is 9. So I need to put 9 in my whole. Great job, friends, with our application problem. Make sure yours looks similar to mine. Your number bond might be a different way. Maybe you put 4 first instead of 5. That's okay. What number can we not change in our number bond? What number has to go in a specific place? Estelle?
The whole.
The whole. Very good. Did you have a question, Landon?
A half is also another word for a part.
Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead and move your math book to the side. The materials that you're going to need are your whiteboard and a dry erase marker and possibly some counters. Miss Hawkins is going to be helping us with our lesson this morning. Let's pull her up.
Hello, friends, and welcome to our lesson today. My name is Mrs. Hawkins, and today we are going to be representing 9 using 5 group drawings and equations. So let's go ahead and get started. Listen to my story. Toby had 9 berries. 5 were strawberries, and 4 were blueberries. How many berries did he have in all? Think about it. How many?
Okay, show me on your fingers because I can see who's listening. How many? Oh my goodness, I have some friends that did not listen. I'm going to rewind this story for just a minute because I think I see some friends not listening. Okay, we're going to listen again. Get ready.
Using 5 group drawings and equations. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right, listen, 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 listen.
Listen to my story. Toby had 9 berries.
I was right.
5 were strawberries, and 4 were blueberries. How many berries did he have in all? Think about it. How many?
Okay, show it on those fingers. Much better, my friends. I like how some friends are showing me the 5 group way. That's really cool. Or you could show me this way. Wonderful job.
9 in all. How many strawberries did he have?
Ooh, who remembers that?
How many strawberries?
Show me on your fingers. So I see 5. I see a lot of 5. Let's see if we're right.
5.
Good
How
job.
many blueberries?
How many blue did he have? Blueberries. Okay, I'm seeing 4. Let's see if we're right.
How many blueberries? 4. Great listening. So now using a piece of paper and a writing utensil, or you could also use a whiteboard and dry erase marker.
That's what we're doing.
Go ahead and draw Toby's berries. You draw yours, and I'm gonna draw mine. Here we go.
Okay, get it
I'm
drawing.
going to draw the 5 strawberries first.
Oh wait, what way are we gonna do these drawings? Who could raise their hand and tell me? Russell?
group way.
Yes, Russell, kiss your brain. The 5-group way. All right, just making sure.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, she's making hers
I-
look like berries.
I'm not a very good artist. I know you're way better than I am. But if you want to, you can draw circles instead of strawberries. Now I'm going to draw the 4 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you've
She
drawn
d-
blueberries as well.
She didn't do it the 5-group way, but that's okay. We can still do it that way.
Now let's count our strawberries and write that number underneath it. So let's count our strawberries.
So if you did it the 5-group way, you could write, like, let's say I did it like, whoops, that's out of, dried out. If I did like this with my blueberries, I could write a number. I'm gonna write the wrong number. 2 up here and 1 down here to show. Those were the wrong numbers. I was just showing that for an example. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's write a 5 underneath our strawberries. Now let's count our blueberries and write that number under our blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write a 4 underneath your blueberries. Now let's draw a number bond so that we can fill it in to tell the story about Toby's berries. Now let's make a number bond so that we can fill it in to show the story about Toby's berries.
Oh,
Watch me draw my number bond first, then you can draw yours.
You do not have to draw your number bond the exact same way she draws hers.
Push pause and make your number bond now.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Now remember, friends, you do not have to make your number bond look exactly like this one. It can be to the side or the opposite direction. When you are done drawing your number bond, wiggle your nose. Okay, Estelle's done. Landon. Anya, she's trying to magically wiggle it without her hands. Okay, let's get started.
I was actually doing a silly face.
Now, how many berries do we have in all? Think about it. How many in all?
Show me. Show me with your fingers. I don't see any fingers. Thank you, Landon, for participating. I need to see more participants. Very good. Excellent.
9. So we will write 9 as our whole number. What are our parts? Think. What are the parts?
Okay, you can show 1 on one hand and 1 on the other hand. Show me your parts. I want to see your hands. Rustle, rustle, rustle. Show me on your hands and I see it. Good. All right. Now let's draw it.
Very good. 5 and 4. So we'll write a 5 as one of our parts and a 4 as the other. Go ahead and fill in your number bond as well. Now let's write a number sentence. We can begin our number sentence with 9 to show how many berries in all.
Try to begin it the way she is.
How do I know what numbers to write in the blanks?
Oh, raise your hand. How do we know what numbers to write in the blanks when we're doing an addition sentence? Estelle?
By looking at the number bond, because the number sentence is the same as the number.
Right, we learned how to label our number sentences with addition and subtraction. So, with addition, our number bond's always the same. We learned the diagraph WH for whole, and then part. And then with our number sentence, our whole is always by the equal sign. And the two parts are always going to be on either side of the plus. Okay, let's see if we're right. Let's look at Miss Hawkins. Oh, she's still frozen. Here she goes.
Yes, the number of strawberries and the number of blueberries, because those are our parts. So we can write 5 and 4. Now let's read this number sentence together. 9 equals 5 and 4. Listen to me as I read this sentence another way. 9 equals 5 plus 4. Go ahead and say it that way with me.
Okay, let's say it.
9
equals 5 plus 4.
Great job. Now I have another story for you, so listen carefully.
Okay, so clean your whiteboard. Clean, clean, clean your board. Clean it, clean it, clean. Make sure it is nice and clean so we can do another story problem. Okay. Yeah.
Kate had 6 beads. Her friend gave her 3 more beads. Now Kate has 9 beads. How many beads did Kate have
I feel like we need to listen to that again. I'm going to restart it. Okay. Listen carefully.
Now I have another story for you, so listen carefully. Kate had 6 beads. Her friend gave her 3 more beads. Now Kate has 9 beads. How many beads did Kate have at first? Think. Say it.
Okay, show it. How many beads did she have at first? Ooh, I see some different answers. I think she had 6 beads at first. Let's see if we're correct.
6. How many did her friend give her? Think.
Ooh.
Say it.
Okay, show me. How many did her friend give her? 3. I think you're right. Let's see.
3. How many beads does Kate have all together? Think. Say it.
Show. Every single person, I need to see your fingers. Jonyan, Ryan, Smriti. Show me how many they have in all. They had 6. Her friend gave her 3 more, so now they have 9.
9. Now on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard, let's draw the number of beads Kate has at first using the 5 group way. I'm going to draw mine.
Okay, draw how how many beads she had at
1,
first.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and push pause if you need more time to make your drawing.
Okay. Arwie, what's your question?
I don't have my whiteboard, so I found a piece of paper and I did the same. I forgot what I was gonna say.
Well, I like how you problem solved. Oh, you found your whiteboard. Okay, good. Make sure you draw 6 the 5 group way.
Now let's fill in these beads to help us keep track of them. So I am just going to fill in my beads. Why don't you do the same thing?
Good job.
Now let's draw the number of beads her friend gave her using empty circles. How many beads did her friend give her?
How many? Show with your fingers. How many beads did her friend give her? 3.
3. 1, 2, 3. How can we make a number sentence about the story and your drawing?
Someone raised their hand. What would a number sentence look like? Landon?
Nine equals 6 and 3.
Okay, so Landon's saying we could start with our whole and say that it equals the 2 parts. Let's see what Ms. Hawkins says. Thank you, Landon.
Great thoughts. Yes, we could write our parts first
Oh, she did the opposite.
and then show our whole number after the equal sign.
Now, even though she did the opposite of what Landon said, is Landon still correct? Thumbs up if you agree. Yes, he is. You can choose to start with your whole and say what your whole equals, or you can start with the 2 parts. Either way is correct.
So what number should go in this part?
What number? Show me with your fingers. What number do you think should go in the first part? Some people are saying 3 and some people are saying 6. Does it really matter? No, it doesn't matter. Let's see what Miss Hawkins chooses.
Yes, 6, to show how many beads she had at first. And what number should go in this blank? 3, to show how many beads her friend gave her. Then how many beads do we have all together? Think. Tell me. Yes, 9 all together. Go ahead and write your number sentence on your board.
You probably did it with her.
Now go ahead and write your number sentence. How is this number sentence different than the number sentence we wrote for the story with our berries?
Oh, think about that. What is different about this number sentence than the one that we wrote about the berries? Someone other than Landon. He's really been participating, but I need some more friends. Nicole?
that time we did 9 equals 9 plus 3.
Yeah, that time we put the whole first. And then we added the 2 parts. And we talked about how either way is correct.
Yeah, this time we wrote our parts first. Draw 9 the 5-group way.
Okay, so take some time and clean your board. Clean it nice and clean. Now we're gonna do another activity. Clean it nice and clean. Okay.
Way. Push pause and do that now.
She asked you to draw 9 circles the 9-group way. So just draw 9 the 9-group way. Oh my goodness! The 5-group way. Draw 9 circles the 5-group way. When you're done, put your hands on your head and that lets me know you've done it. Thank you, DJ, Smriti, Estelle, Carolyn. All right, let's look.
Now circle the group of 5 at the top.
So you're gonna circle a group of 5 at the top of your 9 group.
Let's write 2 different number sentences about your picture.
Look at what she's doing. I want you to try that. So underneath the picture, now if it's easier for you to make it a box, like a mystery box, you can do that. But do a blank plus blank equals your whole, which is 9. And I want you to write 9 equals blank plus blank. Do that now. When you're finished, do a silly face in the camera. Okay, Nicole, Estelle, Russell, Carolyn, Landon, Anya, are we? Okay, let's look.
Help me fill in these blanks. What should I write? Right here in this blank.
Okay, show me with your hands. What can she write right here? Show me fast, 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 fast. Some people say 5. Some people say 4. See what she puts.
Yes, 5 to show the group that we circled.
Okay.
And what should I write in this blank?
What's she gonna write there? Show me fast, fast, fast. Let me see, let me see. What's she gonna put in the second blank? It can't be 5 anymore because we've already used it. So 4. Let's see if we're right.
4. Let's read this number sentence.
Let's read it with her.
5 plus 4 equals 9. Very good. Now we're going to start with our whole number, or the total number of dots we have, which is 9. So what should I write in this blank?
So what she could do is, right, we could just pretend like it's a dotted line and put your 5 here and your 4 here and just move it down. Let's see if she does that. Mrs. Hawkins.
Yes, one of my parts. This time we'll write 4
Oh,
this
she
blank.
did it different.
And our other part in this blank.
Now, wait a minute.
Now let's
Is that okay what she just did? She flipped them. Is that okay? Some friends are nodding yes and some friends are doing a thumbs up. Why is it okay, Anya? Why is that okay what she just did?
As long as the 9 is the whole, it's okay.
Oh, so as long as our whole stays the same, we can switch the parts. Thank you, Anya.
Let's read this number sentence.
Let's read it.
9 equals 4 plus 5. Are both of these number sentences correct? What do you think?
We already agreed. Yep, they are.
Well, why are they both right?
We just talked about that too. Let's go ahead and skip to our problem set.
Remember that you are going to start with the problems with the green.
Okay, so let's open our handy. Oh, wait, before we do that, make sure your whiteboards are spick and span clean and the lid is tight on that marker. Now we can open our books to page 123.
Miss Kate, here's a trick. So to find the page of our problem set easily, you could just like you know the application problem. Right after the application problem page is the problem set.
That's right. I always put it up here just in case somebody accidentally lost their page. Okay, here's our story. Izzy had a tea party with 7 teddy bears and 2 dolls. There were 9 friends at the party. Fill in the number bond and the number sentence. I want to take this one sentence at a time. Let's read the first sentence one more time together. Izzy had a tea party with 7 teddy bears and 2 dolls. Is there something I could do here? Let me know. Raise your hand. Nicole?
No, never. This is not what we should do.
No, there is. Look, there are 7 teddy bears and 2 dolls. That lets me know how many of each. The second sentence says there were 9 friends at the party. So my other number is going to be 9. So now I know the numbers I'm working with are 7, 2, and 9. I have a number bond done for me. The whole is filled in, the whole. What do I do about the 2 parts? What am I going to do? Raise your hand, please, and help me. What happens to the 2 parts? Russell?
Or 2 in 7.
What? Say that one more time, Russell.
The 2 parts are 2 and 7.
Right, because even if I look up here at my number story, I've used my 9, check. But then I got my 2 and my 7. What if I put my 2 here and my 7 here? Is that okay? Yeah. So there's my 2 and my 7. So down here, we have our number sentence. Our number sentence has our whole, 9 equals blank plus blank. What goes in the 2 blanks, DJ? What goes in the 2 blanks?
5 and 4 and 9.
No, not 5 and 4 and 9. These are our two parts. What number's in this part?
The numbers, circles.
Yeah, what's in this circle?
7 and 2.
7 and 2. So I have a 7 and a 2. What if you put 2 and 7? Does that matter? No, because you can switch around the parts. Awesome. Now let's take a look down here at this story problem. Robin had 9 vegetables on her plate. She had 3 carrots and 6 peas. Draw the carrots and peas in the 5-group way. Then fill in the number sentence. Okay, I'm going to read this one sentence at a time to help me. Let's take a look. Robin had 9 vegetables on her plate. Ryan, what can I do with that first sentence?
Who is 9? The parts are 3 and 2.
Okay,
And
so
3, not 2.
I'm going to circle 9. We think that's my whole. I might could even write 9 next to the whole group of vegetables. And then it says she had 3 carrots, so I'm going to circle my 3, and 6 peas. I'm going to circle my 6. Now I know the numbers that I'm working with are 9, 3, and 6. Then it asks me, draw the carrots and peas in a 5-group way. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to start with my peas because there's 6. So for peas, I might draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I go down there, it's the 5-group way, right? Then it asks me to draw the 3 carrots. I might try to do these kind of like a triangle maybe. Or my carrots. Now, how do I fill in my number sentence? How do I fill in my number sentence? Can someone raise their hand and help me? Carolyn.
The 3 in front and the 6 in the back.
Okay, so I could look at my 2 groups. I have 3 carrots. In the other group, I have our 6 peas. So 3 and 6. Or you could have done 6 and 3. All right. Let's take a look at the back page. The back page looks like has toy lions and zebras. Shane played with 5 toy zebras and 4 toy lions. He had 9 toy animals in all. Draw black and tan circles to show the zebras and the lions in the 5-group way. Fill in the number sentence. Whew, that's a long story. Yes.
For the black and tan, because zebras have stripes, I'm just going to draw circles with stripes and circles without stripes. Lines.
What a good idea. Okay. Let's look at one sentence at a time. Shane played with 5 toy zebras and 4 toy lions. What do I do? What do I do? Anya?
It helps you know that Shane has 4 toy lions and 5 zebras.
Yep, I can see my numbers 5 and 4. He has 9 toy animals in all. So I'm going to circle my 9 because that's my total. So the 3 numbers that are going to be in my number sentence are 5, 4, and 9. Now the order, we have to think about the order. Draw black and tan circles to show the zebras and the lions in the 5 group way. I like Anya's suggestion. You could, it says there's 5 toy zebras, so you could draw a circle with some stripes for the zebra, because zebra has stripes, if you don't want to just do black and tan. And, whoops, 4 toy lions. Now, I want to start out with my hole. I want to get my hole out of the way. What is my hole and where does it go? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. What is my hole and where does it go? Jonyan, what's my hole?
What are you talking about?
Honey, I need you focusing. Look right here at this story problem. What is my hole? How many do I have all together?
9.
Very good. Where is the hole going to go on this number sentence?
9.
Where is the 9? Huh?
Where are I talking about?
Okay, look at this number sentence. Where do I write the number 9?
First.
I'm going to write it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what am I going to do, Jonyan? What am I going to do next?
Then you add 5.
Okay, and what's my last number going to say?
4.
4. All right, Jonyan, let's look at this. 9 plus 5 equals 4. So I'm going to put 9 in my head, and let's count on 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Does that say 14? No. Who can help Jonyan out? He used the right numbers, but they're not in the right order. Carol.